If you're someone who's okay with building a powerful mindset, changing your inner dialogue, and creating new habits of success, then the Afformations Advantage you just purchased is going to be more than enough. Because I'll teach you how to use my Afformations method to shift your mindset, build confidence, and naturally align your thoughts with success starting in the next few days. However, if you're someone who wants more, if you want to find a way to supercharge these results, make them happen even faster without needing to find extra time in your day, then this is for you. Introducing my Afform Audio's Ultimate Wealth Power Pack, a powerful audio program designed to make your success automatic by integrating my Afformations method into your daily life through the power of sound. You see, while the Afformations Advantage shows you how to create a winning mindset, my Afform Audios take it one step further by making that shift happen effortlessly, even while you're on the go or even while you sleep. These audios embed positive, empowering questions right into your subconscious mind, helping you stay focused on wealth and abundance all day long without you even needing to think about it. Here's the thing. Most people struggle with consistency when it comes to building new habits or changing their thoughts. That's where my Afform Audios come in. Because by listening to these carefully crafted Afformations in audio format, you're going to harness the power of your subconscious mind to align with wealth and abundance, even when you're not paying attention. These audios use the latest in neuroscience and auditory learning, meaning your brain automatically starts reinforcing positive habits and positive beliefs about wealth, freedom, and abundance just by listening to them. Imagine being able to reprogram your mind for wealth and abundance without having to sit down and practice each day. You can listen to these Afform audios while you're driving, working, cooking, or even when you're sleeping. It's like having me, the world's top personal wealth mindset coach, in your ear, helping you stay on track and aligned with your goals without taking any extra time out of your day. This is passive mindset reprogramming at its finest. Because with my Ultimate Wealth Power Pack, you'll be reinforcing new, powerful beliefs around wealth, abundance, and success without even having to think about it. In fact, I've had clients who started using my Afform audios and saw shifts almost immediately. They found themselves thinking differently about money, noticing new opportunities, and making better decisions that led them towards wealth and freedom. And the best part? They achieved this while going about their normal day, without any added stress or effort or even any extra time. In fact, the feedback that I get from people who use my Afform audios is incredible. These audios make success feel natural, almost effortless. So if you're ready to take the transformation you started in my Afformations Advantage to the next level and make your success automatic, just click the button below and get my Afform Audio's Ultimate Wealth Power Pack today. This is your only opportunity to get this offer and to amplify your results and make wealth an effortless part of your daily routine. You've already taken a powerful step by starting the Afformations Advantage. Now let's make it even easier, faster, and more powerful for you. Because with my Afform Audio's Ultimate Wealth Power Pack, you're going to prime your mind for wealth and abundance 24/7 without even having to pay attention. So just click the button below and let's make your success automatic.